how to view deleted comments on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can view deleted comments on Reddit. You can view deleted comments on Reddit only through third-party tools like Reddit, like Wayback Machine, like Reserve, like your Google Cache. And how do you do that? For the post, you'd have to get the username, the subreddit name, or the link to the thread whose comment was deleted. And then once you have this link ready, close your Reddit app, go to your web browser, it could be Google Chrome, any kind of web browser that you're using, click on the search box, and then type in the third-party app that you want to use. For example, it could be Reddit. Click on that, and once you're on the home page, you're on the page where you can see blog posts talking about Reddit. Just select it to launch it, and then once that's been launched and you're brought to the page, close the ad, and then in the selected box, go ahead and enter in the username of the person whose comments on his post was deleted, or the subreddit name, or the link to the trend. And then once you do this, Reddit would fetch data from the push shift archive and present it in an old Reddit-like interface, and then you can go ahead and read it. As you can see, there are some samples here on the site interface. Then another site you can make use of is Wayback Machine. But for Wayback Machine, you need the URL to the deleted comment. By getting the URL of the deleted comment, once you click on Wayback Machine and you're on the Wayback Machine page, once you enter in the URL here, you'll be able to browse through the archived versions of the comments. Alright, and that one you can use is Reserve or your Google Cache. Ensure you try any of this and you'll be able to view deleted comments on Reddit. Thank you for watching and have a good day.